Oh hey, it's Taylor, and I'm going to teach you how to analyze poetry.
There are a few key features for the analysis. The poem we're going to be analyzing is called For the Commander of the Eliza.
Let's take a look at the history of and the background of the poem. In the 1840s, the potato crops failed, causing widespread famine. This caused over millions of deaths. Many people tried to escape the great hunger. Crop failure caused by late blight, disease that destroys leaves and roots of the potato plants.
We also have background information about the writer. He was an Irish poet, playwright, and a translator.
First, we need to get an overall meaning and understanding of the poem. When finding the meaning, look for words or phrases that give clues about the meaning. The next feature is vocabulary. Look for words that indicate the meaning and also the perspective of the poem. In this quote, you can see whines and snarls of their desperation. This means that the people are desperate for food. When you hear 6 grown men, you think they're strong, but you can see that they have gaping mouths and eyes, which means that they're desperate for food. In the simile, they use a comparison for food. This indicates that they are hungry for food because of the famine. This is shown in first-person narrative, which means the writer is acting as the commander of the Eliza.
Our next feature is structure. First, look at how many syllables in each line. This line is written in iambic pentameter. This means the second syllable in each word is stressed. Also, there is no verse in this poem. This is called free verse.
The next feature is sound. Sound includes alliteration, rhyme, assonance, and sibilants. As you can see here, this is the only rhyme in the poem. This is written in a different way to the rest of the poem, and it makes the reader think about who is actually saying this and writing this.
Another feature is tone. Tone in a poem is how the reader feels when he or she is reading it. By the looks of the poem, the words and sentences highlighted in red each show pieces of emotive language. These words are specifically representing a unique tone. Here are a few examples. I saw they were violent and without hope. This represents that these are very uneasy times for the Irish men, and that it makes me feel as if it's really unfair. Let natives prosper by their own exertions. Who could not swim might go ahead and drown. This does make me feel that it's really unfair. Just like the similar one, this is a really dark and mysterious poem.
Next is imagery. Here is a dictionary definition of imagery. Imagery in this poem is quite profound. There are many examples of it, such as they were bursting at the sockets like spring onions. This is a reference to spring onions, obviously, which is used in many traditions.
Don't forget to include your own opinion. You can use the different features mentioned to help you. We understand the dilemma of the Coast Guard, and he wants to help the 6 starving men, but he's not allowed to do anything due to the rules and the laws at that time. While we are not able to save everyone, we should contribute to improve the situation through charity and other activities.
Thank you for watching.